Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome is a genetic condition that makes connective tissues unusually elastic. People with this disorder can bend, twist, or stretch their bodies in ways that would break normal bones and ligaments. Some can even dislocate joints on command or perform movements that look impossible. While it might seem like a superpower, the extreme flexibility often comes with fragile skin, joint pain, and a high risk of injury, making it a double-edged sword.
Albinism. Albinism is known for pale skin and light hair, but in some rare cases, it comes with extraordinary vision adaptations. Some individuals can see in dim lighting far better than most humans, giving them an almost night vision-like ability. It's not perfect. They're often sensitive to bright light, but in low-light conditions, their eyes can process subtle details that others completely miss.
Congenital hypertrichosis, also called werewolf syndrome. Congenital hypertrichosis causes excessive hair growth across the body. While it sounds strange, in some cases it acts like natural armor, protecting against cold weather, minor cuts, or sunburn. Historically, people with this condition were seen as mystical or magical, giving them a psychological superpower in addition to their physical one.
Familial hyperthymesia. Familial hyperthymesia is an inherited condition that allows people to remember nearly every day of their lives in vivid detail. Dates, events, conversations, they can recall everything instantly. Unlike a normal memory, these recollections are automatic and complete. But there's a catch. They can't forget trauma or mistakes, and this relentless recall can be emotionally exhausting.
Aquagenic urticaria variant. Aquagenic urticaria usually causes hives upon contact with water, but a rare variant seems to give natural immunity to certain bacteria in rivers, lakes, or even contaminated water. These individuals can swim or bathe where others might get sick, effectively giving them an unusual survival advantage in nature, though it's extremely rare.
Synesthesia. Synesthesia makes the senses cross over in unusual ways. Some people see sounds as colors, taste words, or feel numbers. Artists, musicians, and mathematicians often use this ability to excel creatively or remember massive amounts of information. Imagine hearing a song and instantly seeing a rainbow, or solving a math problem by visualizing it as shapes. Life becomes a multi-sensory superpower.
Congenital insensitivity to pain with anhidrosis. CIPA is an extreme version of congenital insensitivity to pain. People with this condition literally cannot feel pain or temperature changes, and they can't sweat. They might walk barefoot across hot coals or lift heavy weights without discomfort. But it's incredibly dangerous. Without pain as a warning, injuries, burns, and heat stroke can be fatal, meaning their superpower requires constant vigilance to survive. Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome affects connective tissue, giving people unusually long arms, fingers, and legs. Some individuals can reach incredible distances, grip high surfaces, or excel in sports like basketball and gymnastics. However, their hearts and aorta are fragile, so extreme physical exertion can be dangerous. It's a case where biology gives both incredible advantage and significant risk.
Hemophilia. Hemophilia is a condition that prevents blood from clotting properly. While dangerous in itself, some patients develop heightened awareness of their own movements to avoid injury, almost like living life in slow motion. Their superhuman skill comes from adapting to their body's vulnerability. Extraordinary reflexes. Some people are born with rare mutations affecting nerve conduction or muscle fibers. These individuals have lightning-fast reflexes, reacting in split seconds where others would blink. Olympic-level reaction speed comes naturally, almost as if their bodies are pre-programmed for perfection. Its reflexes taken to the extreme without years of training.
Hyperacusis. Hyperacusis is a rare auditory condition that makes everyday sounds extremely loud, but in rare cases it comes with superhuman hearing. Individuals can detect subtle noises from far away, like footsteps across a forest or faint mechanical vibrations. While normal sounds might feel overwhelming, their ability to sense danger or changes in the environment is extraordinary. Super tasting. Super tasters experience flavors at levels far beyond normal humans. They can detect minute differences in sweetness, bitterness, or spice that others can't. This ability comes from a dense concentration of taste buds. While everyday food may be overwhelming, their superpower is precision tasting. Chefs, sommeliers, or scientists studying food and chemicals can exploit it in amazing ways. Exceptional UV sensitivity. Some rare individuals have genetic variants allowing their skin to process sunlight far more efficiently. They can generate higher levels of vitamin D, giving them enhanced metabolism and bone strength compared to average humans. While it can be dangerous if unmonitored, in controlled exposure, it's a subtle but powerful adaptation.
Pica-driven metal consumption. Pica is a condition where individuals crave non-food items, like metals or minerals. In extremely rare cases, the body adapts to metabolize these unusual materials safely, giving resistance to certain mineral deficiencies or environmental toxins. It's a bizarre, almost mutant adaptation, turning a disorder into a hidden strength.
Gigantism and acromegaly. Gigantism and acromegaly result from excessive growth hormone, producing extreme height and strength. People can reach incredible sizes with longer reach, powerful grip, and enhanced leverage. But these abilities come with joint problems, heart issues, and early mortality. So the superhuman advantage is paired with serious risk.
Cyclic vomiting syndrome. Cyclic vomiting syndrome is known for intense nausea attacks, but some rare variants trigger extreme autonomic nervous system responses. These individuals may display bursts of strength, heightened alertness, or sudden energy in response to acute stress, almost like an involuntary fight-or-flight superpower.